Hi guys, you are watching Hyperity Tech channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can speed up your computer and remove all your junk and cache within 2 minutes. So let's start. So first of all, you have to go onto the run, then type prefetch. Once you inside the prefetch folder, you have to select all and simply shift delete. Then you have to go again into the run, type temp, hit enter. You will get a lot of temporary files. Select all, shift delete. Then you have to type run again, percentage temp percentage, hit enter. Select all, shift delete. Then you have to again go into the run, type clean mgr, hit enter. A space is calculating in front of you. And here you have to select that what you want to delete and what you have to keep on your computer. So let's say I need to delete thumbnails, temporary files, recycle bin, let's say, and because Bitdefender has already been installed, Microsoft Bitdefender, so I don't want it. And upgrade log files, I don't need it. And DirectX cache, I don't need it. We have to delete it, delete, and then select, hit OK, delete. You can see that cleaning is being performed. So it will take around 2 to 3 minutes or maybe 5 minutes, because some internal files are being deleted, which is obviously junk files. So this is all about the video, that how you can clear your cache and junks and how you can speed up your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. It will take around 5 to 6 minutes maybe, and once it's done, your computer will be rocket and will run fast, obviously. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. Bye bye. And you can see that the logs has been cleared. Now my PC is super fast now, and all the cache and all the junk files have been deleted successfully. So thank you so much. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye bye.